At the tyre bay, we will examine the high consequence task, removing a tyre assembly from an earth-moving vehicle. An uncontrolled release of the tyre assembly can damage equipment and crush a worker, leading to their fatality or disablement.